it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my Manny box for January 2020. This is the Sweet Dreams, my nail box. So I'm interested to see what's going to be on here. I guess it's kind of cupcakes or something because it's kind of by the logo. So we'll see what is inside. Alright, so getting our card out first. I can get the box to stay open. Alright, let's see what is in the box. So like I said, oh, that's kind of messed up, but anyways, so yeah, Sweet Dreams, and it's got little candies and stuff on there. So let's see what's in here. So the first thing I see is a clear jelly stamper polish kit, and this one is called Lover's Lane. This is $17 on the Beautometry website. I have never tried the clear jelly stamper nail polish before, so this should be good. Let's pull them out to see kind of what they look like. Alright, so let's see, we've got 4 different ones here. The first one we've got is kind of like a yellow, but it's got a little bit of a gold shimmer. Can you see that? This one is a 095. And it is kind of got a little bit of a shimmer to it there. Alright, and the next one we've got, maybe I'll just pull them all out. It's cute that it came in a little box and everything. Alright, and the next one is a 094. It's like a pink shimmery kind of one. Let's see. Nice. Alright, and this one is a 092. It's kind of like a platinum-y silver metallic polish. Nice. And then the last one we have is 093, and it's just a white one, which whites are always good to have. If I can open it, I can always use white nail stamping polish. So that we got white there. Alright, so that is 4 little polishes from Clear Jelly Stamper. Very neat. They come in a cute little box, which I'm not sure if I'll store them in the box or not, but it's a nice little box. Alright, let's see what else we've got in here. So we've got a polish from Masura. We would have either got Forget Me Not Whispers or Forget Me Not Whispers About or Sweet Charm Beads. These are $10 American on the Beautometry website. And I got, looks like Sweet Charm Beads. So it looks like a white polish with kind of different colored flecks in there. Kind of cute. Alright, and let's move on to the stamping plates. So it also says at the top here, this month's box includes just released stamping plates and stamping polish from Beautometry.com. So just released. So I'm thinking that was the clear jelly stamper polishes and then these 2 stamping plates. So we got the Kawaii collection, I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I said that wrong. So this one is a 03, and you've got little like sweets and candies and different designs on there. Very cute. Goes with the Sweet Dream theme. And then the second one we got is a 01. So again, it's also got little candies and sweets and drinks, and I guess there's a little girl there. Kind of cute. So that is the 2 stamping plates from there. Very cute. I've not heard of these stamping, like this collection yet, so I'm interested to see what this one's like. I really like Moody London pretty much as a brand. They always make pretty good stamping plates and polish, so I'm always interested in getting more of their stuff. But so that is everything for today's My Mani box. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.